Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can obtain a Textplus account and how you can obtain a number in the Textplus account in the year 2024 entirely for free. So, in this video, I'll be showing you guys what are the errors which arises when you are going through the steps of obtaining number in the Textplus application and the ways to solve them, and also few more additional instructions will be given. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything and you do not want to face any errors in the future, or you would want to learn how to obtain and keep the number for yourself. Well, actually the thing is, I recently posted, I guess before a month I posted a video on the same topic, but still many of you were commenting in my previous videos that you were not able to find the video. So in this video I'm going to once again show you guys the method which I actually explained in the previous video more clearly. So even though you have watched the previous video, just make sure to watch this video until the end. First of all, if you're using the Android device, then navigate to the Google Play Store, or if you are using the Apple devices, then navigate to the App Store and install this application, Textplus. Textplus, Text Message Plus Call. Well, there are two applications from the Textplus corporation. Both those applications, are name is going to be Textplus and NextPlus. Well, the thing is, you have to install both of these applications. As you can see, I have both of these applications installed. So go and download both of these applications. After downloading, open the Textplus application. Remember, do not open the NextPlus application at the beginning, but open the Textplus application. If you accidentally have opened the NextPlus application, then go back to the NextPlus application, long press on this, click the I button over here. You would be redirected to the settings page. In here, go to the storage and clear your entire data by clicking on this button over here. Just remember, in this video, I know the signing up process in the Textplus application is very easy, but obtaining a number for free is going to be very hard. So in this video, I will be covering on topics such as how to solve this error to oops, something went wrong, please check your connection and try again. Before solving this specific error, you would have to remember a very important thing. The reason why this error has actually started appearing. Well, the thing is, this error started in the year 2023 of October 23rd, I guess. It was because of a certain update of Textplus 2023. So if you are not yet clear, or if you do not know the information about the Textplus update, then just go Google it for the Textplus update of 2023. Or if you want to learn the more exact reason and the exact news about what is happening in the Textplus application, then please go take a look at this video. I myself have posted a video on the Textplus update. This video's link will be available in the description and the first comment. I would pin the comment, so make sure to go take a look at this video. Now we hope you would have installed the Textplus application. What you would have to do is, you would have to go and you would have to make an account using your Gmail account or Facebook account. In the Textplus application, I made my account. I tried using just an email address, but I was displayed with errors and I was not able to obtain a number successfully. But if you want to obtain a number successfully, then you would have to click on the sign up with Google option, and you would have to sign up using your Google account. After making an account in the Textplus application, I guess you have not yet faced any errors still now. But if you still faced any errors during the Textplus sign up process, then please leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you guys. Please also mail me if you are able to obtain any screenshots of the error, so I can help you more clearly. So after making an account in the Textplus application, when you are going to obtain a number like me, usually if you are all successful, then you would be displayed with this image, that is your new number is something, and give it a try, all messages are free. But because of the update, few of the people, mainly the people who are located outside the US and Canada regions, especially the Asians, would not be receiving this message, but you would be displayed with this message, oops, something went wrong, please check your connection and try again. If you are displayed with this error message, what you would have to do is navigate to the NextPlus application. In the NextPlus application, once again, sign up using the same Gmail account which you actually used in the Textplus account. As you can see, in both the Textplus and the Textplus applications, I have the same number. Please take a look at this my Textplus number. Now take a look at the Textplus number. As you can see, both of these numbers are entirely same to same. So what I'm going to say is both of these applications have the same server and the same database. So let's say you have made an account in the Textplus application, and in case you are using a Textplus application and you are signing up using the same Google account, then what it means to the server is that both of them are the same user, so it would redirect you to the same what should I say account. So you would be prompted, or you'd be logging in with the same account. So in the Textplus application, what you have to do is go to the Textplus application and try to obtain a number in the Textplus application. And in the Textplus application, if you actually try to obtain a number, you would be, you have more chances of obtaining a number successfully. If you want to leave a real hands-on video, then please go take a look at this video. This video is also a video in my channel where I have actually showed you guys the hands-on tutorial of obtaining a number. See, in this video, I'm actually choosing my area code and I'm actually obtaining a number. See, it was this simple. I actually obtained a number. As you can see, this is the same number which I displayed to you. And yes, obtaining a number is this simple. And now guys, how to keep a number in the free version. In the free version, the thing is that your number would be transferred to someone else within a week or after a week. So what to do in order to keep a number? I have this number for the past 2 or 3 months. And how am I keeping my number? I got this risk warning from the Textplus or Textplus application. Please be aware that your phone number is at risk of being reclaimed. In order to prevent this, you must be actively using the services to send messages or complete phone calls. Alternatively, you can purchase a Keep My Number product from the store or via credit swap. Failure to adhere to this warning will result in your number being reclaimed. I actually, lost 2 to 3 of my numbers, and after losing 2 to 3 of my numbers, I only learned this tricks. What you do is that you do not actually need to purchase Keep My Number plan, which would cost you some dollars. I don't know the exact amount, but what you could do is that you can use some other application. Let's say some other application like TextFree. TextFree is another application which will help you to send unlimited SMSs within the US or Canada region. So what you can do is that you can obtain a number in this application and you can just send SMS for like one time a week. Let's say you are sending this Wednesday at 12 p.m. Then before 12 p.m. the next Wednesday you'd have to send another SMS in order to keep your number. So guys, if you want to learn more about TextFree too, well, there are videos in my channel. You can just go take a look at it. I will try to leave it in the comment section and the description too. So people, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video in order to receive more daily videos like this, and to keep me motivated, I'll say. And I have something very important to share to you guys. I think this channel is getting huge membership update in the year 2024. So now you'll be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button and the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And after subscribing to my channel, just go make sure to take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. I'm not forcing you to join or anything, but if you become a member of a community, there are some exclusive perks like one-on-one interaction with me via social media, and member-only exclusive videos and early access to all the new videos which will help you in your technical journey of obtaining a virtual number or something. So guys, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.